Diyan po. Habang nandito po, Madam Chair, ang Executive Director ng AMLC, I would like to direct some questions to him as well. Gusto ko po sanang ipa-verify sa Honorable Executive Director. Ang ilan? Pipili po ako ng 5. Parang may pagka-random po yung pagkakapili ko ng 5 na mga entries dito sa Annex A na siyang summary ng mga deposito o mga inter-account transfers na indineposito sa mga accounts ni Rodrigo Duterte at Sara Duterte. Number 9 po sa listahan. Base po dito.
Annex A number 9.
Annex A number 9 ng listahan po. Mayroong pumasok na mahigit 55 million or exact amount 55,131,747.32 noong March 26, 2014.
Can we mark number 9?
It's
There.
March 28, Your Honor.
Oh yes, I stand corrected. It's March 28. So mako-confirm niyo ho ba?
Please limit your confirmation to whatever appears only in the report of the AMLC.
Base po ba sa documents na sinabit ninyo sa committee, ang transaction ito ba ay nasa suspicious or covered transactions report ninyo?
Madam Chair, what I have with me are just copies of the financial reports. The CTRs and STRs were actually submitted already. This involved the voluminous accounts. If we want, we can go over this and check these accounts specifically if just to confirm whether there is this transaction or not.
Perhaps you can ask some of the AMLC officials to do the confirmation.
Okay.
Kong Laila, since there are voluminous records, where to check the identified transactions from the attachment of Senator Trillanes, perhaps we can advance the transactions which you want to be confirmed. And
Yes,
then they will be
actually-
checking.
Actually, I've chosen only 5 each. 5 entries of each of these annexes para hindi naman po marami yung i-confirm ng ating AMLAC. So, for Annex A, ito po ang
Closer to the microphone, ma'am.
ito po ang gusto ko po sanang ipa-confirm kung kasama ang mga transaksyon ito sa suspicious or covered transactions report nila. So, number 1 is the page 1, number 9 sa listahan, 55 million noong March 28, 2014. Next would be same page 1, number 16 sa listahan. Meron ho bang pumasok na mahigit 41 million? Exact amount, 41,721,035.62 noong October 2, 2013. Next would be sa page 3 ng Annex A, number 44 sa listahan sa halagang mahigit 53 million. Exact is 53,817,613.48 noong February 25, 2010. Next would be page 4. So ito po yung pang-apat. Number 60 sa listahan. Mayroon po bang pumasok na mahigit 52 million? Exact amount is 52,485,191.85 noong April 14, 2009. And then the fifth one. So sabi ko nga po, pumili lang po tayo dito. Pumili lang po ako ng 5. Sa dami po niyan, there are about 71 listed entries in Annex A. So page 4 din po, number 64 sa listahan. Mayroon po bang pumasok na mahigit 49 million? Ang eksakto pong amount, 49,281,009.98 noong 22 May 2007. Yun po sa Annex 1.
Madam
Idi?
Chair, can we be given a bit of
Yes.
time and then we'll revert, we'll just check one by one.
The Honorable De Lima can proceed to the next clarificatory question. We'll go back to that after they are able to confirm from their records.
Yes, Madam Chair. So let's proceed to Annex B.
So this is also confirmation of transactions?
Confirmation, but some preliminary question lang po. Isang preliminary question lang po kay Senator Trillanes.
You
for
may
this.
proceed.
So sa Annex B nyo po, balikan po natin na nabanggit nyo rin po sa paragraph 12 ng inyong sinumpaang salaysay na may mahigit 111 million piso o eksakto 111,634,144.05 as of April 2016, nakabuang value ng pumasok na transaksyon sa mga joint bank accounts ng mag-asawang Sara Duterte at Mans Carpio at mga joint accounts kasama ang iba pang miyembro ng pamilya Duterte. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Nabanggit rin niyo po na mayroon kayong summary ng mga pera o transaksyong pumasok at dumaloy sa joint account ng mag-asawa at joint accounts kasamang iba pang miyembro ng Duterte family. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
At ito ay naka-attach bilang Annex B ng inyong affidavit.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, maari po ba nating ipakita rin ang Annex B sa screen?
Secretariat, please flash Annex B of the sinumpaang salaysay of Senator Trillanes.
At yun ba ho bang Annex B? Ganon din po kanina. Nasabi niyo po ay in-extract yun sa Annex H, yung pinakakompleto na mga transaksyon.
Yes, Your Honor.
At sino rin po ang gumawa nito?
Yun din pong aming mga financial specialist and lawyers at staff po, Your Honor.
With respect po sa Annex A, just like sa Annex B, just like sa Annex A po, ito rin po ang ipapa-confirma ko sa
Amla, please
AMLC.
take note of the transactions which will be mentioned by the Honorable De Lima for your verification and confirmation.
5 rin po ito. Sa page 1, row 5, mayroong 2.5 million pesos na pumasok sa noong June 11, 2015. Next would be page 2, row number 19, mayroong pumasok na 2,987,542.24 noong December 6, 2013. Under the name Sebastian Duterte, Sara Duterte, Paulo Duterte, Elizabeth Duterte. Pang-apat po, ay pangatlo po, sa page 2, rin po, row number 20, meron ho bang pumasok na 2,926,594.60 noong January 31, 2012. Pang-apat po, page 3, row number 31. Meron ho bang pumasok? 2,1,563.86 noong May 19, 2010. Ganon din po sa mga pangalan nila Sebastian Duterte, Sara Duterte, Paulo Duterte, Elizabeth Duterte. Panglima pong napili ko na numero, na entry po, sa page 3, row number 38, meron ho bang pumasok na mahigit 2 milyong piso? Or 2 million, or the exact figure is 2,114,168.43 noong May 14, 2008. Yun po yung 5 insofar as Annex B is concerned. I'll proceed to Annex H. Senator Trillanes,
Yes, Your
nabanggit
Honor.
nyo rin po kanina na sa paragraph 22 ng inyong salaysay na mayroon rin kayong summary ng mga transaksyon, paglabas at pagpasok ng pera sa mga bangko ni Sara Duterte, Rodrigo Duterte, Pulong Duterte, Baste Duterte, at ng common law wife ni Rodrigo Duterte na si Honilet Avancenia kasama ang kanilang anak na si Kitty Duterte. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
At ito ang dokumentong naka-attach bilang Annexes H and Sub-Annexes Inclusive ng inyong salaysay.
Yes, Your Honor.
At yan po yung sinasabi nating master list or master table.
Yes, Your Honor.
So maaari rin po ba nating ipakita, Madam Chair, sa screen yung Annex H?
It's already in the screen, Honorable De Lima.
Salamat po. So sa AMLAC sa AMLAC naman po, ito naman po yung gusto kong ipa-confirm. Again, this is rather randomly actually. yung
AMLC,
pagkapili ko
please
po
take
dito.
note of the transactions.
Sa page 4, mayroon daw inter-account transfer sa halagang 16,852,832.94 noong December 9, 2014. Next, sa page 5 po, nakalista rin ang inter-account transfer in the amount of 41,721,035.62 noong March 28, 2014 na pumasok sa bank account ni Sara Duterte at ni Rodrigo Duterte. Next would be, nakalista po itong debit memo sa page 9 ng dokumento in the amount of 1 million pesos under the name Sara Duterte. Meron po bang transaksyon na ito sa records ninyo? Next, sa page 10 ng Annex H, mayroong cash deposit na halagang 1,750,617.84 sa pangalan ni Sara Duterte noong March 3, 2011. Next, the fourth one, sa page 11, naman po ng Annex H, mayroong debit memo sa halagang mahigit 2 milyon, 2,1,563.86 sa pangalang Sebastian Duterte, sa account nila Sebastian Duterte, Sara Duterte, Paulo Duterte, Elizabeth Duterte. Meron ho ba transaction ito sa inyong mga flag transactions na isinumite sa committee? And last, for Annex H, page 12 naman po. Another example, mayroong credit memo sa halagang 10,374,307.49 sa pangalang Sara Duterte at Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Kasama rin ho ba ito sa mga flood transactions? I wish to point out, Madam Chair, na sa pagpili ko po dito ng mga parang mga random entries, ay hindi ko na po siyempre sinama yung mga napili ko rin doon sa Annex A and Annex B dahil ito nga pong Annex H is already the master table. Senator,
Madam Chair, so to clarify, I am not confirming the report provided by, mentioned earlier because I am not privy whatever the source of that report. What I'm telling is there is a movement of funds on this particular date as reported to us, which is based on the covered transaction or suspicious transaction.
Can we flash again Annex? Is that Annex H?
Annex H, Madam.
Annex H. To be responsive to the request of the Honorable De Lima, can you at least say whether that transaction is part of the report of AMLC? Kasama po ba itong transaction na ito sa report ng AMLC na sinumite dito sa Justice Committee?
Madam Chair, given that we are only given limited information, I cannot confirm, for example, what's the nature of the transfer, where is the addressee and all. So what we can
We are
only-
not inquiring as to the nature of the transfer, just
No.
whether or not that amount appears as well in the report of the AMLC.
I can confirm, Madam Chair, if there is a movement of funds on that same date with the same amount involving the same
That
account.
will
Will
be
fine?
enough.
Okay.
That will be
that's
enough.
Okay. So for December 9, 2014, on our records, based on our records, there is a transaction amounting to 16,852,832.94.
confirm, Madam Chair.
So similar transaction appear in the AMLC report.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Next,
For March 28, 2014, there is a transaction amounting to 41,721,035 pesos point 62.
In other words, it's confirmed. Similar transaction appear in the AMLC report. Next.
For Sige. For May 19, 2010, there is a transaction that we saw in the amount of 2,001,000 pesos 563.86.
Confirm similar transaction appear in the AMLC report.
On February 4, 2010, there is a transaction amounting to 10,374,307.49.
Confirmed again, similar transaction appear in the report.
Can we get the last in Annex H? The last one we were unable, in page 10, we were unable to capture.
Kindly state the last transaction in Annex H, Honorable De Lima.
10,374,370
We have confirmed that
307.49 at page 12.
in page 10, Madam Chair.
Page 10.
The transaction in page 10. Wala.
Page 10, that's March 3, 2011,
Alright.
in the
So,
amount of 1,750,617.84.
so we inform that there is a transaction on our records dated March 3, 2011 in the amount of 1,750,617.84.
Confirmed.
Confirm similar transaction appear in AMLC report.
Then for Can we ask the last one, the one involving 1 million pesos, the particular date, Madam Chair?
Meron ba? Page 9, 1 million. Dated March 28, 2011. Ay, 1 million? Yes. March 28, 2011.
Okay. We confirm, rather, we inform that there is a transaction in the amount of 1 million on March 28, 2011.
Confirmed as well, similar transaction appear in the AMLC report. That's a total of how many transactions, Honorable De Lima?
It's supposed to be 5.
Total of 5 transactions for Annex H, all confirmed by the AMLC. Similar transactions appear in the AMLC report. Are you ready for the next annex?
Yes, Annex I.
Annex I.
That's the one from Samuel Uy. Sami Uy.
Please flash Annex I.
We inform that based on our records, there is a transaction in the amount of 7,440,846.07 on March 17, 2011.
Confirmed.
For the first transaction, confirm. Similar transaction appear in the AMLC report.
We inform that on October 25, 2011, there is a transaction in the amount of 7,440,846.07.
Likewise, confirm for the second transaction. Similar transaction appear in AMLC report. Third,
On April 24, 2012, we we inform that there's a transaction in the amount of 7,440,846.07.
The third transaction is likewise confirmed. Similar transaction appear in the AMLC report. So this total of 3 transactions appearing in Annex I with the title Sami Uy Payouts to Sara Duterte and Family, all of this were confirmed by the AMLC that similar transactions appear in their report.